You can meet me at the campfire. That's where I will be, with the sky stretched wide and the night set free.